This is a 3-mode solar street mini lamp. 6500 Kelvin, 2200 milliamp battery, 168 LEDs with the PI sensor. And we're gonna go hang this bad boy up. When a sunny day comes and charges this for a full 6-8 hours, you're gonna get from dusk to dawn a good use out of this for security, lighting up your area, for a shed, a backyard, wherever you need to have light. Let's open this bad boy up, show you what you get inside the box. We have the solar light. It has a nice large panel, the on and off, the sensor, the 168 lights, and you're going to find a spot. I'll line this up correctly, and it hangs one way. So make sure you're going to put this into the sun, that the sun goes around like so, and nothing's blocking the sun. When you put this on, don't just slide it on. You're going to have to give a nice forceful push, and it's going to lock into place. And there you go, as I'm pulling out. To turn the unit on, you hit the button once. It'll light up when it senses, when this is covered up. So we're going to cover this up on the floor like so. We're going to press the button once. It lights up 100% for 20 seconds. And then shuts off. Mode 2 will light up for 20 plus seconds and then dim down to 30%. And then, of course, mode 3, dusk to dawn at 50%. These things come in many sizes and shapes and models, and when it turns bright, it shuts off. From dusk to dawn, it'll protect your area, brighten it up, your needs. So let's go hook this bad boy up outside. Put 2 screws in, so this way it holds properly. We're going to put this one for demonstration purposes so I can show you the differences of each of the modes right over here. We have dusk to dawn, the solar mini street lamp. It shut off when it got near me, but it was lit. We have it lit up to the 100%. And it will light up, but sometimes the lights above and around may cause it not to work. So you want to make sure that you don't have any other lights on and it will work. Your driveway, a pathway, a backyard that doesn't have other lights on, these lights would do a nice job lighting up, protecting the area. So I hope this is a product that you may be looking for your property. Just make sure that you don't have any other lights around and you do a great job. You have the 100% down to 0, 100% down to 30%, and being on at 50% dusk to dawn. Enjoy your product.